let's let it sandblast. Yeah, what was that?
Black smoke, that.
It smells like fuel. I wonder if he's got a misfire. Sam's car. Could be a misfire or something like that.
If it's black smoke, it could only mean fuel, can't it?
Fuel, yeah. Red flag. Red flag. Somebody, I don't know, maybe somebody binned it. Maybe. Wait, hold on, where's David? He was behind me.
There's a black one over there.
Okay, that's fine. There's a red flag and it looks like Sam, which was black smoke. I don't think he's crashed. I think oh fuck, I hope the engine's not fucking done. Try and find David and see if he sees anything. We were fucking flying. I fucking hope it didn't run fucking hot and kill itself, basically. Yeah, it's definitely Sam. Bonnet up. Do you see all the black smoke coming from the
and he had I think more smoke came out and he had to pull over.
Black smoke, I think it's fuel. I don't know if it's a misfire he was getting or something like that.
Well,
but if he's if he's been sending it with like a lean, it'll run hot and that's bad, really bad. But I hope the engine's not gone.
Yeah.
Oil. They're covering up the track with sand. Uh-oh, that might be engine bye-bye. Just putting sand on the track, which means it's dropped oil, which could be a rod through the block. Behind him, I was flashing him on the straight and I went past him. When I overtook him, I put my thumbs down, hoping he would come into the pits. Oh dear.
Oh dearie, dearie, dearie.
Where's the car? Down in...
over there.
Shit.
Was I ahead?
Yeah.
You see the smoke?
Yeah, I did. I was flashing you on the straight.
Oh, did you?
And then when I came past you, I put my thumbs down. I wondered if you were going to go into the pits. That's why you pulled off to the right. What happened?
So I did see a bit of blue smoke over there.
It's a black smoke.
Oh, was it black smoke?
Yeah, which is, I think it's fuel. Might be a high pressure fuel pump failed or something like that. That's what I think. But where did the oil come from? Because they were...
Yeah, so... Yeah, I saw a bit of smoke over there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not good. Then I thought, oh, maybe it's just older engine. So
Yeah.
I slowed down, let you go. And
Yeah.
then I thought I'd chase you round. Didn't know.
No, you...
Anyways, coming up there, and then I just suddenly saw in the rearview mirror, I thought it was white smoke, just a big plume, but yeah, black, white smoke, and then sort of lost power, and so I was like, oh fuck, I know what I've done. So I pulled over and came off straight off the circuit, so I didn't like put a load of oil on the circuit, although there is oil on the circuit now. And parked it up, the guy came straight out to me, fortunately. He told me to get away in case it's on fire.
Yeah.
But it was dripping oil underneath. Definitely, there's oil at the back of it.
So where...
Oh, and the thing came up saying low oil pressure.
Yeah. Shit.
So I'm sure there's a bit of clinking when I was slowing down to come off. I think I took it out of gear, rolled off.
Can we get to the car? Because it's going to be lunch in a minute. Can we have a look?
Yeah.
I'll stick my head under it. I've got my torch and stuff and just have a quick look and I can tell you. We just packed up a load of Sam's stuff in the back of David's car and we're just going to go up and have a look. So give us 2 minutes and it's lunchtime anyway, so we need to go get something to eat. Here she is, sad lion.
Oh, all oil there. So
yeah. Pop her up, mate. Let's have a look.
So,
oh yeah.
Oil down the back.
Yeah, it's oil down here. Oh, that is littered.
Unless I had topped up the meth, so it can't be the meth that had run out and wasn't cooling it. No temperatures came up on the dash to say it was too hot.
And it doesn't run at all?
Well, I don't want to try again.
No.
I pulled in. The engine was still running actually when I pulled off completely. I think it was a bit graunchy.
Still got some oil.
Yeah, I don't really want to start it
No, I don't.
here.
So the only thing oil-wise up here is this pipe here, which is for the turbo.
But it's not
So
pipe that's come off,
It's not
is
the
it?
turbo.
So that's saved.
Yeah, the turbo's fine. Fucking hell. It just looks like the fucking somebody's come out the block. It seems like, I reckon, a bottom end, like all down just this side is just fucking oil everywhere. I don't think it'll be pistons.
Oh, you don't,
no.
the pistons and valves could be alright. It could be.
Did it sound really tappy when you ran it or not? Or was it more like a clunk, 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 clunk?
I mean, in the heat of the moment, you're kind of like, and the noise and stuff.
There's no oil coming from the top, so, and that's what's making me think if it's bottom end, this new engine jobby, which it does seem like.
We know the maximum power you could take these to.
We
were fucking gunning it.
I don't think it's boost or anything related to that. Genuinely, I think this is a high pressure fuel pump issue. This is what I'm saying. It's all out the front and the back. I reckon the fucking block, something's happened to the block. But what's caused that to happen, basically? That's it, mate. Could have happened on the fucking ring, and that's way more expensive.
You got paid to get up. I was speaking to the guy, was so lovely.
Shit. So it's not where I had an oil leak, the front main seal. It's somewhere here, on like middle to bottom of the engine. It's somewhere there.
Is that so?
Yeah, which is literally where your pistons are. So it could be like a fucking, it's put a hole in a piston because it's ran lean, or you can start it. If it sounds atrocious, just turn it off. I mean, the damage is done. Do you know what I mean? There's oil.
But it won't cause a fart.
No. Nothing. I can hear the start. That might be seized. I can hear the starter.
It won't start.
That might be seized.
It rolled. Obviously, I took it out of gear.
That could be a valve hitting a piston. That could be like it's jammed.
No light, no warning lights.
But oil pressure. I wonder if I got covered in oil. I was just going to check that. No, I reckon that was fuel that I was seeing. I've got it all on camera, so I'll digest it later and have a look.
I'm sure you'll post that. Sam's car going bang.
Well, it'd be good to show to Matt exactly what happened before.
Oh yeah.
That is not ideal. My suspicions are, but it's seized, or it's taken the starter motor with it at the same time, which is highly unlikely. But I reckon it's put a rod through the block. But why that's happened, I don't know. No idea.